So when this was first put together, here's an old cast of characters, and there's two funny things for me to tell you. The first is, you talk about missing a trademarking opportunity, right? So when Matt Turk and Sandy Pentland were putting this together, they had in mind this notion of mugshot books. Mugshots where page through this book of all these face images, and you say, aha, that's the person. So they were putting together something that was going to be kind of like a mugshot book, but of faces, and it was going to be an electronic program. So what do you think they called this electronic program that was supposed to be a book of faces? Photo book. So, there you go, Zuckerberg. Hope you're happy. Facebook was invented and called Photo Book, and so then Facebook could be Facebook. So that's humorous story number one. Humorous story number two is actually not humorous at all. It actually speaks to sort of the productivity of the Media Lab, the vision and modeling group at the time. This old cast of characters here, a bunch of these people were students. In fact, almost all these people here were students at the time. Oh no, there's Mike Bove. He was a research scientist. But some of you may know Stan Sklarov, who is chair of Boston University Computer Science. Well, that's him right there. Some of you ever heard of G+? All right. So Bradley Horowitz at Google was instrumental in making that happen. He's right there. I think that's him, or is that him? Those two may be the same person. Okay. Anybody up in Berkeley? Trevor Darrell, computer vision researcher. Or here at Georgia Tech, there's Professor Irfan Issa. Neither he nor I look like we used to look like when we were at the Media Lab at the time, but that really is him. So it just tells you a little bit about sort of the density of interesting vision research going on there at the time. But basically what they did was they produced a database, 8,000 faces, and it was able to do recognition.